If you ever thought about starting an online store but didn't want to risk a lot of money up front, this is exactly what you've been waiting for. Right now, Shopify is letting you start completely free and then continue for just $1 per month for your first 3 months. That means you can literally build your store, test your idea, and even make your first sales all for less than the price of a coffee. In this video, I'll walk you through how to activate the Shopify free trial, how to unlock the $1 a month deal, what you actually get during the trial, and how to set up your store step by step. Let's jump in. To get started, go down to the description and click the Shopify link I provided. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission if you decide to continue with Shopify. There's no extra cost to you, and you still get the same free trial and $1 a month offer. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Shopify free trial page. All you need to do is enter your email address and create a password. You can enter your payment details now, or skip this step and add them after your free trial ends. After that, Shopify may ask you a few optional questions like what you plan to sell or if you sold before. You can answer these or skip them, it won't affect your trial. Once you're in, you'll be taken straight into your Shopify dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything: orders, products, customers, website design, and settings. This is basically the control center for your entire online store. Before you worry about upgrading or paying anything, you can start building your store right away. First, go to Products, Add Product. Here, you'll add your product name, write a description, upload images, set your pricing. You can also add things like variants, for example, sizes or colors. Next, go to Online Store. Click Edit Theme. This is where you design your website. You can change your homepage layout, upload your logo, edit text and images, add sections like testimonials or featured products. Everything is drag and drop, so it's beginner friendly. At any point, you can click Preview to see what your website looks like live. This is exactly what your customers will see. Now here's how the pricing works. Shopify gives you a free trial to build and test everything. Then once your trial ends, you can continue for just $1 per month for the next 3 months. This is perfect if you want to test your product idea, start getting traffic, or even make your first sales without committing to full pricing right away. This is honestly one of the lowest risk ways to start an online business right now. Instead of paying full price up front, you get time to learn the platform, build your store, and validate your idea before scaling. If you want to get started, click the Shopify link in the description to activate your free trial and lock in the $1 a month deal. If this video helped you, give it a like and consider subscribing for more step-by-step tutorials like this. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.